Hi there folks, and welcome to this Calvarian demonstration of the integration pack for CA Spectrum. This is a brand new integration pack for CA Spectrum. It gives us 7 new capabilities: acknowledge alarm, clear alarm, create event, get alarm, monitor alarm, start and stop maintenance mode, and the capability to update alarms. I've got some simple use cases for you we're going to take a look at in a moment. This is the configuration. It's very straightforward, so specify the web services URL, the username and password we need to authenticate as. So our first use case, we're going to create a power board failure alarm. Let's take a look at our configuration. We can see we can specify the model handle, and we have a list of all of the available models in the system. We can specify this dynamically as well as using the drop-downs. We also have an extensive list of the event codes. We generate our events file using the built-in utility, and that allows us to access all of the events that we can access on the system. We'll set some parameters there, and I'm just going to launch that Runbook now. You can see that's executing. And there it's completed, so let's take a look in Spectrum itself. And if we just wait a moment, we can see our new alarm has been created. Let's take a look at the details, and we can see there's our module power supply failure alert, which just been created. Board number 7. Okay, that's good. So let's go back to Orchestrator. We're now going to use the get alarm object to get all of the alarms which are currently unacknowledged. You can see we can add many filters within there. And once we've got a list of those alarms, we should only have one we just saw in the system, then we're going to acknowledge the alarm. Obviously there is lots of capabilities that we could build into there. There could be some remediation activities or some further diagnostics. Let's execute that Runbook now. You can see that started up. And again, if we switch to Spectrum, we're just going to watch the acknowledgement status, and we can see there our alarm has been acknowledged. Excellent. Okay, our next use case, we're going to generate a list of models which are going to be placed into maintenance mode. And see just some straightforward PowerShell to generate that list. And using the set maintenance mode activity, I'm actually going to set the maintenance mode to be enabled for these machines. Okay, let's just check that in. And start the Runbook. This one's going to take a moment or two to start up because of the PowerShell at the start. There we go, we can see it's going. Let's just expand that out. Yep, so it should be starting to put stuff into maintenance mode. And in Spectrum, let's take a look. We'll just wait a second. There we go, we can see stuff starting to go into maintenance mode. A moment or two longer, just waiting for the next refresh of the console. And we can see the whole host of stuff put into maintenance mode. And again, this works well as part of a larger set of runbooks. This is just a very simple test runbook to show what's going on. Our next activity we're interested in is the monitor alarms. You can see I'm monitoring for new and updated alarms, anything which is not acknowledged. Again, the same set of filters that are accessible through the get alarm object. Okay, I'm not going to change any of those though. And we've got also the acknowledge alarm activity and also the clear alarm activity. You can see the link to the acknowledge is disabled though, so I'm not going to run through those things. Activities are very straightforward. Just going to clear out the old history so we can see what's going on. You can see the Runbook's executing at the moment. I'm just going to go back to our create event activity, our Runbook, execute that to create a new alarm. What we should see is that the monitor alarm activity fires for us after just a moment or two. There we can go. We can see that's fired now, and if we just take a look at the detailed log history in there, let's take a look at the title. And we can see the alarm title, our module power supply failure once again. Excellent. Okay. You see, it's a very straightforward integration pack. It offers us lots of valuable capabilities, everything that we need when we're going to talk to CA Spectrum. Excellent. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions about this integration pack or any of our others, please take a look at www.calvirion.com. Thanks for watching.